Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for being here. Today we have my March Ipsy Glam bag, so let's get into it and check it out. Ipsy Glambag is the original glam bag. It's the one that you will have 5 deluxe samples, although sometimes you do get full-size products. You get brushes or nail polishes. There are sometimes full-size products in it. You will have the cute little bag. It is $15 by the time you do everything you have to do to it. $15 per month. It is one, when people say, what is the one bag you would start with? This is the one I always say. This is a great place to start. You get 5 things to try every month. You get the cute little bag. It's a really inexpensive way to dip your toe into the sub pool. I realized very late in the month last month that I did not receive my February glam bag. It must have been lost in the mail. I think that's the first time that's ever happened. It was en route. I mean, I see where they shipped it, but it never made it to me. It went into one post office and disappeared. So I let them know, because I just realized it, I let them know and they have sent out a replacement. So when I get that, I will do it with whichever bag I have at the time. But this is my March bag. It's kind of tie-dye on the front. That's really cool looking. The back is kind of a saddle color, perhaps darker than beige. Ooh, they've covered up. What's the pull? Ooh, the pull is beads. That's kind of neat looking. And inside we have my 5 products. We do have paperwork. Sometimes, yay, sometimes our paperwork will tell us what we have. With the original glam bag, which is what this is, it does often tell us what we have. With the BoxyCharm or it's the Icon box now, right? With the Icon box, we don't always have our goodies, but it's so easy to just look in the app. I recommend, if you do Ipsy, that you do the app. I think that the Ipsy app makes everything Ipsy so much easier. It's easier to see what you're going to get. It's easier to make your choices, because with all of the bags, even this one, you have a choice. With this, you get to choose one of your products. It's easier to do your choice. I just think everything about the Ipsy app is easier. And that way, if you don't get the information on all of your products, it's also easy to do that. Rewrite the rules. March 2024. Wear too much blush? Make the first move. Get a mismatched mani. This month, march to your own beauty beat with Botanical Skincare Must-Have Makeup, a nature-inspired palette from women-owned and founded brands who inspire us to rewrite the rules every day. And that is what that looks like. Okay, let's dig in and see what I've got. First out, I have a Maison Louis Marie Eau de Parfum. Okay, let's see what the scent of this is, and then we'll decide if we're going to try it. Cruelty-free, mindful of the body and the environment, a botanical tradition since 1792. That's impressive. This is number 13, Nouvelle Vogue, Muguet, Tuscan Fig, and Tonka. I will show you that in case I am doing a really bad job on that. It says the top notes are that Muguet word, coconut waters and lemon, mid notes of Tuscan fig, tonka and agave, and base notes of vetiver, amber, and santal. I really like the sound of that, so yep, we're just going for it. And I'm eating friends for dinner tonight, so where could this go amok? Tap so as not to crush the scent. Oh my goodness, that is lovely. Oh, yeah, this might be my new fragrance. Oh my goodness. Let's see how much it's gonna cost me now that I love it. Picture this. Are you ready? Picture it. It's spring on the Italian coast of Capri, and you're strolling through a tiny oceanside street lined with blooming flowers and native lemons. That's Nouvelle Vague. Oh, it's Vague, not Vogue. Nouvelle Vague. It perfectly captures notes of uplifting citrus, sheer florals, and coconut wrapped in Tuscan fig. The MSRP, oh good, is 50 ml is $93. Okay, I know that sounds like, oof, $93, which is a lot of money, don't get me wrong, but sometimes that's, $155. So 93 feels like winning. I cannot wait to see how this dries down on me, but the initial hit of it is absolutely gorgeous. Next out, we have Ofra Lip Gloss in Blissful. I have my lips done, but that is what that looks like. Am I doing it upside down? No, I'm not. There we go. My nails, in case you are wondering, my nails are Maniology. Oh my goodness. This is the Butterflies and Dragon butterflies and dragonflies one we just got. And they're so, I love it. I love doing this. If you have any questions, let me know below. I didn't do a video doing this one, but I'm happy to share with you guys what I did. Ofra Cosmetics Lip Gloss in Blissful. Go for full glitz with this creamy rose gold shimmer gloss. It's packed with good for you ingredients like antioxidants and jojoba oil to deliver hydrated, glossy lips that elevate your look with every swipe. 3.5 ml is full-sized, and that would be $15. Let's see what this looks like. I thought it was just going to be clear. Oh, wow. I don't know if you guys can see how I have got this. Did they forget to put something in here? Is this empty? I am squeezing it from the bottom up. Oh, no. Oh, my goodness. Okay, guys. Squeezing from the bottom up. Here, let me show you guys so you'll see. I'll watch the camera. I mean, I'm at the top. I'm at the very, very, very tippity top before we see color. Goodness. I almost can't hold it long enough to squeeze it out. Well, I'm going to put a little bit of this on my lips. I hate to waste it. Oh, wow. Did you see how pink that was? Look, see how pink that is? Can you see? I don't know if you can see how gold it is on my lips. Oh, my goodness. I just put it over my lips. It just kind of blended in. That is a crazy little amount. I don't know if I didn't get a full fill. Okay, next up we have Gloss Moderne. This is the Clean Luxury Radiant Polish for hand and body. This was my choice. Indulge in the ultimate self-care treat with this luxurious hand and body exfoliator. Its refined texture helps to gently buff away any impurities, while rich oils deliver long-lasting hydration. Did we mention it also smells like the Mediterranean grapefruit, lemon and mint? If this was full-sized, it would be 120 grams and $48. We have 20 grams. So we have 1/6 of it. So this is still $8 worth. I did not realize it had grapefruit in it. I did not think to read that. It has orange and lemon in it, but it doesn't seem to have grapefruit in it. So we are moving forward with no caution. My hands are in dire need. I'm going to show you this because you can probably tell. My hands are in dire need of exfoliation. Ooh, that feels nice. Oh, it smells good too. The lemon is what I get. It says it's lemon and orange. They mentioned grapefruit, but I didn't see any grapefruit in the ingredients. So I'm just going to do this for a second on the back of my hand and see if I can exfoliate it dry. That smells so good. That is one of the reasons I picked the Gloss Moderne, because I've had their conditioners before. I have never had anything from them that just the scent of wasn't heavenly. They're always such fantastically scented products. Yeah, that's great. I'll tell you what, my hand just absorbed all of the oil in that. I know I'm probably supposed to rinse it. Did you guys notice my hand before? Can you see how it just looks buffed now? It's just so much, I mean, it's still dry, but it is so much better where I did it. Oh my goodness. When we're done with this taping, before we go out with our friends tonight, I will be doing that to my hands. Uh-oh, I only have one product left. Oh, I missed one in the bag. Let's do the one I missed in the bag because you always know what that's going to be. It's a brush. This is from, it's a mega shading brush from Wing Me. I'm going to just do this so you guys can see it. And then I'm going to slide it back right down in there because this is not a brush shape that I use very often. I do my eyes almost exclusively with blending brushes. I know, you're not supposed to. I know, I'm not a makeup artist. I am most comfortable with blending brushes, so I will set this aside for a giveaway. It is Mega Shading Brush 13. It has a $23 value. Perfect for packing on the color. This dense brush is essential to any collection. The high-quality, dense bristles are designed to effectively pick up and blend your favorite powder and cream shadows across your lids. Okay, back to the bag. And the last thing in the bag, I have a Phase Zero Rose Gold Powder Highlighter. Let's check out the color of this. I do love a powder highlighter. I use one here and along my nose every time I do my makeup. I have an Hourglass one, and I also have a new, fairly new Laura Geller one that I found when I was doing my clean out that I really like. Well, this is pretty, but it's a something just fell off of it. I don't know what. It's a little yellow for me. They say it's rose gold, which is perfect, but it doesn't look like it's leaning pink. It looks like it's leaning a little warmer. So I'm going to close that back up and we will slip that into a giveaway. I know it's a small one, but I just did one giveaway and I'm getting ready to do another. And I will tell you, it's hard to come across makeup. We get so little makeup in our boxes now. And between what I keep and what I pass on to my people, there's almost no makeup. So we will set that aside. That is my Ipsy Glam bag for March. What did we call this month? Rewrite the rules. We received this gorgeous Maison Louis Marie perfume. It is gorgeous. Absolutely gorgeous. The Gloss Moderne exfoliant that we can use on our hands. This nice little brush. Tiny little bit in this great big tube of the Ofra lip gloss Blissful and the Phase Zero Rose Gold highlighter. That was this month. Great way to try products. Totally worth it. I have two right here that I absolutely love. I mean, what's not to love about a brush? I could probably find something to do with it, but I may pass it along. Did I read to you about the Phase Zero? I don't know that I did. Ready to add a lit from within glow to your glam? This buttery soft powder formula glides on top of your makeup like silk to give the most gorgeous rose gold glow. Words are hard. It's designed to layer effortlessly on top of foundation, resulting in skin that looks natural and radiant. If this were full-sized, 4 grams, it would be $23.50, and we have 2 grams. So we have half. Is that what I said, 4 grams? Yes. So this is still just under $12 worth. So this alone almost covered the whole bag. Thanks so much for coming by for our Ipsy. I hope you will like, subscribe, hit the notification bell so you'll know when we have more videos coming out. Have a great evening, guys.